Greetings, greetings, greetings. You realize there are enough people out there who need Jesus. What you going to do about it? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 9 from verse 35 to verse 38. Then Jesus go about in all of the town and district them. I teach in the Jew them church. I preach the good news about God kingdom. And I get people better. We have all kind of sickness and I suffer from all kind of crosses. When he see the crowd of people them, he did sorry for them. Cause all sort of sitting did a bother them. Them did confuse and them couldn't help themselves. Them did come in like sheep when nobody fit take care of them. Then him turn to him follow them and say, a whole heap of food out there in the field for pick. But enough people not there for gather them up. So ask the Lord, we own the food for send out people for pick them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.